Hey y'all, good morning. So right now I'm gonna make a bit of iced coffee to go. I used like this Nescafe Taster's Choice decaf blend coffee, instant coffee thingy, and I'm mixing it in with a little bit of water. I'm gonna use Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer and then almond milk right here, and I'll put ice cubes in it. I'm going to be meeting up with a couple of friends right now, so I'm gonna just do this really quickly and drive out there. Hey y'all, so I just left from being at In-N-Out. I hung out with my friends for a little while, and then I was gonna drive out here to Riverside, and In-N-Out was right nearby, so I stopped and got some fries, and I ended up meeting this guy, Jason, real sweet. He just landed from Miami, Florida, so he was really excited to try out In-N-Out. He chose me to be the person to recommend something, which I was like, the worst person as a pescatarian who's no longer eating wheat, like what the heck. But he tried it out, he loved it, and it was really nice just like meeting someone new. But yeah, right now I'm on my way back to Riverside, and along the way I'm gonna be stopping to buy some groceries and things. So I'm gonna stop at Ulta. I need makeup remover, some hair conditioner, things like that, and then I need to pick up groceries because my fridge is basically empty. There's like nothing but a block of cheese and like almond milk, so I need to stop by and get some emergency food at this point. Hey y'all, so I was able to pick up my favorite lip gloss from e.l.f. at Ulta. I just left Ulta, and I'm gonna go to Target because they didn't have my foundation color here. It was out of stock, so I'm gonna try and find it there. Hopefully I can, because it sells out pretty quickly almost everywhere I go, so hopefully I have it. If not, I'm not gonna be wearing foundation for like a week then. Hey y'all, so I'm home now. I got here about half an hour ago, but I was putting away some groceries that I picked up, and I thought of going on a hike with Mona up to Mount Rubidoux, but the sun's already starting to set, so I don't want to be up there when it's dark. So I'm just gonna take her around the neighborhood and walk her for about an hour or so until it gets dark basically. And look at her, she's like super excited. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll come back and make dinner. I picked up this rice pasta and cheddar. So it's like a gluten-free, wheat-free version of mac and cheese. Thankfully, this is all wheat-free, so I should be able to have it and not have a reaction. And then I'm going to hopefully make that my new favorite, like mac and cheese, because I can't have my normal favorite. Hi, happy girl. Did you like your walk? Yeah, you happy? She brought that little flower in right there. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here in my living room. I made the mac and cheese from Trader Joe's with the rice pasta. I tried the pasta on its own, and it's a little bit firmer at first, so I had to cook it a little bit longer. And once I did that, it pretty much is just like regular pasta. It's slightly chewier, but I don't have a problem with that. The color, it's straight up yellow like Kraft mac and cheese. I prefer the white regular pasta, or the white sauce, but that's fine. So I'm gonna give it a try. I could eat this. It's not the same as like other pastas. I like the Auntie Annie's or something like that. So that one's my favorite, but this is pretty good. Good night. Good morning. Hey y'all, so it's Sunday. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop right now. I'm just gonna get some tea and get a little bit of work done because I have an assignment due tonight. Well, a couple of assignments due tonight. So I'm gonna go do that now before I come back and do chores. I have a giant load of laundry just on my bed right now that I need to fold and hang up. So I'll do that later. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. Ms. Mona's just staring at me because I went to the grocery store and I picked up some cookies and cream ice cream. Mona loves ice cream, but I only like to give her vanilla once in a while, so I don't really want to give her this one with cookies in it because I'm pretty sure it has like traces of chocolate, right? Isn't that bad for them? So I'm actually having dessert before lunch. I really wanted some fish tacos, but normally when I go somewhere, the fish tacos are fried in batter and I'm not sure if it has wheat, so I'm just gonna make my own here at home. And I picked up the stir fry mix, let me see. Fish fry mix that is gluten and wheat free. This one here by the brand Zata Rains. So I'm gonna try this one for lunch. Ma'am, what are you doing? Why did you rip your bed again? Huh? Hey y'all, so I've been home studying for way too long, so I'm gonna take this little girl on a hike. Come on, go inside. Go inside. Good girl. We're gonna go up Mount Rubidoux. Hey y'all, so we are making our way up. I've clipped Mona to my backpack right there. She walks behind me. Can you see her? She likes to walk a little bit behind me or next to me in case people are coming. She gets really shy and scared. So we're just gonna hike up and hopefully it's not too long. It's super windy here. It was windy a while ago, but not this bad. So this is my first time letting her out without a leash on. I'm slightly terrified, but she's being good. Come on. She's listening to me. Where are you? There she is. Hey y'all, so after bathing Mona, I showered because I was full of puppiness and I was gross from the hike anyway, but my friend Raymond came over just for a little bit. Hadn't seen him in a couple of years. I submitted my homework assignment. Now I'm gonna get 3 Etsy orders ready and then I need to put all this laundry away and pretty much pack up all of my homework and all that stuff for tomorrow. So yeah, good night.